Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to make a delicious soft, savory, low-carb, flourless keto-friendly bread that uses an unlikely secret ingredient, namely, cottage cheese. This recipe is quick and easy, perfect for anyone following a keto diet. And best of all, it only has 2.5 grams of carbs per slice. So, if that sounds like a winner to you, then stay tuned. First, let's go over the wet ingredients. You'll need 6 eggs, half cup of cottage cheese, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Start by softening the mozzarella in the microwave for about 1 minute. While the mozzarella is softening, crack 6 eggs into a bowl and add half cup of cottage cheese. Once the mozzarella is softened, allow it to cool before adding it to the bowl as well. Now, combine everything thoroughly with a spatula until the mixture is well combined. Next, let's move on to the dry ingredients. You'll need half cup of egg white powder, half cup of beef gelatin powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener. Combine these dry ingredients in a separate bowl and mix them together. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and blend thoroughly in a blender until you have a smooth batter. Perfect. Now, let's prepare our air fryer basket. Insert a 6-inch long by 3.5-inch wide by 2-inch tall lining of parchment paper into your air fryer tray. Spray the parchment paper with a high smoke point oil like avocado oil. Carefully pour the batter into the prepared basket and smooth the top using a wet rubber spatula. Bake in your air fryer at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or 163 degrees Celsius. Set the timer for 25 minutes. You can also bake in a conventional oven. You'll know it's done when the top crust becomes golden brown. Once it's done, remove the loaf from the air fryer and let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. Slice the bread into half-inch thick slices and you're ready to enjoy. This soft, savory, low-carb bread is perfect for making grilled cheese sandwiches, patty melts, tuna melts, or just enjoying it as buttered toast. Give it a try and enjoy your favorite comfort foods without the carbs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious keto recipes. See you next time.